Hey guys, how's it going? Today I am carrying on with the shop organization that I have been working on for the last couple of weeks, and today I'm putting up this lumber rack. I start off this project by cleaning out this corner of the shop, starting with taking down the existing shelving along with the assorted blocking I used to give each shelving piece 2 points of contact. Then I needed to decommission my existing original lumber rack. You served me well, lumber rack. You will be missed. Once I had the corner cleaned out, I installed insulation and OSB off camera using the same methods as my adding insulation video. Then I moved on to assembling my new lumber racks. That's not going to be enough. Okay. Now that the racks are assembled, I move on to the layout. I take a Sharpie and with a level I run a straight line down the studs. Then measuring 52 inches off the floor, I mark off a level line and install a 2x4 to act as a temporary rest. Then I grab one of the racks, align it to the stud, make sure it's plumb, and pre-drill into the studs through the racks. And repeat that for the next 5 studs. Yeah, 5. To install the racks to the wall, I'm using 3.5-inch long lag bolts and drive them into the studs with my impact driver. With the racks now completely installed, I take my lumber collection and load it up onto the new lumber racks. Now that that's done, I figured since there was 52 inches of space between the floor and the bottom of the lowest shelf on the rack, this would be a good place to store my sheet goods. It's like I planned it or something. So using the smaller of my original lumber rack shelves, I took the cross bracing and flipped them 90 degrees to give the now new sheet good rack a lip to keep them from sliding off. Then to keep the rack off the ground, I used the same bricks to lift the rack off the ground like I did with the original layout. These were just some random bricks that were here when we moved in. Then I loaded up the sheet good rack. And with that, my new lumber rack is done. This is definitely an improvement over the original rack I had in this corner, especially now with the sheet good storage underneath it. The only issue that I had was that it didn't have much space for lumber scraps. I've since remedied the situation, but that will be in a future video. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video, and have a good one.